Hi, and welcome to Card Shop at Argenta. I'm Julie with the Argenta Branch Library, and we're part of the Lehman Library System here in North Little Rock, Arkansas. Card Shop is a program that we offer virtually, and we're happy to have you join us by calling the Argenta Branch Library at 501-687-1061 to reserve yourself a card kit to follow along with our videos. Be sure to watch our videos on social media, YouTube, Facebook. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember that libraries are more than just books. And now I'm going to turn it over to Kerstin and enjoy today's video.
Thank you, Julie. Hi, everyone. I'm Kerstin, and I'm excited to host Card Shop at Argenta. I'm all about organizing my craft space to make it easy accessible to find materials I need for projects. And today I'd like to start by showing you how to organize your ribbon stash, and on top of it, we also are making 3 other greeting cards which are all about summer, water, and the ocean. In your card kits, you have 2 pieces of cardstock already cut to size located in a plastic bag. I like to point that out to you so that you don't think that they are to be used for a card. These 2 are your bases to make 2 ribbon dispensers. The ribbon dispenser I'm about to show you holds 3/8 inch of ribbon wheel. Your base measures 4 3/4 by 7 1/4. To get started, lay one of the bases horizontal on your board. Use your scoring tool and a ruler and score your paper at 3/4 of an inch all the way through. Turn your paper around, do the same thing on the other side, 3/4 of an inch, using your scoring tool all the way through your paper. Then from the top, measure out 4 inches and score in the middle. Measure 3 1/4 inch from the bottom and make another score line. Next, use a pair of scissors and just cut very slightly into your flap to make a flap. Do not cut this part off. I'm just want to go ahead and emphasize this because a lot of people have done this. It needs to stay. So you just make a slit here, you make a slit here, and also on the other side, here and here. Next, we are going to make sure that we crease it to make a nice fold line. For that, you use your embossing, your bone folder or your library card or a credit card to make a nice crease. Next, you just simply fold the box in half. Make sure that these little flaps are going inside your box. And just take your glue stick or any other glue you like to prefer and just glue the sides together. On this side and on this side, and just make sure that you glue those pieces nicely together. So what you have is now just simply a box. So before we can go ahead and make use of the ribbon, I used a hole punch. If you don't have a hole punch available to you, you can use your embossing tool. You're just going to have to kind of make a nice little hole in it. I used my hole punch, stuck it all the way through there, punched a hole in it, and here is my ribbon dispenser. And coming to our other cards I like to show you is our first ocean card I like to present to you. All I did was use light blue cardstock, and in your kit you also have an embossed piece of cardstock, and you have also some pattern paper which looks like this. All I did was simply put the pattern paper behind my embossed cardstock, and then you also have like a little piece of, I would call it seaweed, and I just kind of stuck it in there. And also these little starfishes. So I put these starfishes in it just to decorate the front of my card. And our little message piece says, "Seize the day." And that completes our ocean card for this time. And our next card looks like this, another ocean design we are making. And it's very simple as well. So you have your blue card base right here, and you have pattern paper. And what I did, I just simply put the pattern paper, and I didn't glue it at this time, because also in your card kit you have this piece of paper. So we're going to line this up, make sure it lines up very well with your top piece, and glued those together. Just simply went ahead and put a little fish right underneath here, and have one kind of coming out right here. And our message piece, simply write, "Wishing you oceans of happiness." Just simply put it right there, all glued on. I didn't use any kind of risers. And I dressed this one up with a nice little pearl on top of it, just to give it a little pizzazz. And that is our card, our ocean card for this time. And then last but not least, I thought I'm just gonna make it pretty easy, and we're just gonna have a simple card where all we are doing is card base, which is white, and we are using a red piece of cardstock, which will be our first layer, a piece of pattern cardstock, which all of these items you will have in your card kit, and just again I'm using dimensionals just to put a nice message on it: rest and relax, you deserve it. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you've enjoyed these projects. We love to hear your feedback because it is important to us. Also, please like, comment, and share this post. We will see you again next month. Have a great day.